Both jugs.
Oh, they got a jug.
No, I got one. I need to wash them though.
It's okay. Oh, where's the other one?
Yeah, I need
Yes.
Get it. Get it. Get it.
Why are you doing that?
This is really nice park. All right, let's go.
Here, look at them.
Yeah. Okay. See here. Guys, let's have lunch. We had a leftover. We had leftover last night from our dinner. We couldn't finish it, so we took it to our room and put it in the refrigerator, and now we're eating it for lunch. We also had a beef calderita from the Filipino restaurant or store that we went yesterday, and we have rice. I also travel with cups and plates.
Let's eat. Let's eat.
Give them the run. Winner.
Sweeten a lot. Albert Massey's Recreation Park here in Gainesville. We got a very nice playground in there for children. And over there, they also have a swimming pool and baseball park. It's nice. I like the parking lot because parking lot over there is shady. Whew. All right, let's go now. Let's go now, guys. We're going to the my glasses over there. We're going to the
Oh yeah, they are on the bench.
We're going to the Florida Natural Museum
Butterfly rainforest.
here in Gainesville. Oh, it's totally broken. It's broken now. My heart. Goodbye, my love.
Alright, let's go. Don't worry about it. It's moving.
Museum doesn't open until 1 on Sunday.
That's where you use your coin.
Ah.
Yeah.
Is this the slot?
Yeah, you can
This
see
guy
that.
right here will only ever come out only if there's literally nothing else there. And it is lettuce, and thank goodness he actually really needs his sloth biscuits. They're the healthiest thing for him. I know he found the bowl. Huh? Not actually many. So sloths make a few sounds, but they don't communicate with one another practically ever because they're just not encountering each other. They live completely alone for the majority of the time. Or if he is really, really upset, they have a few different grunts that they can make to let others know, hey, I don't like what's going on. And then they can hiss, as well as have a really loud sound that sounds like a sick goat. It is a pretty ridiculous thing. The baby sloths also make noise, but that tends to be an ongoing theme with a lot of animals. The babies tend to be a little louder than the adults. And that's to get the parents' attention, because babies, not a whole lot, but in the wild they're designed to literally take up everything and actually cultivate it. So their fur has these special tiny microscopic ridges. And those are perfect.
Does it smell like popcorn?
Not really. It smells like sloth, which is a really specific smell. In the wild, it's pretty nasty, just because of all the stuff growing on them. They smell like rainforest, but it's great until it's concentrated and on an animal. He's actually going to go back into his enclosure because he's definitely getting restless. And we want to make sure that he can climb if he has the energy to climb.
That guys, oh, that green. That's the lizard that can walk on water. It's a green basilisk. It's a green frog.
South American frog. Greenhorn frog.
Greenhorn frog.
The horn frog.
It's a green gecko over there. Hi guys.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye. Hey, Ate. So cute, right?